My experience working with Alex and his team has been phenomenal. I mean, the communication, basically Alex does everything he says he's going to do and probably a little bit more. It exceeded my expectations. But Alex said it'll take, 5 to 7 days. And that kind of surprised me because I've had a lot of remodels done in my home, and anytime a contractor says it's going to take, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it takes 2 months, 3 months. But Alex was dead on. The crew came out. They literally in a day and a half took my old roof off. Every night that they left, you wouldn't even know they were here. I could just tell that they had a sincere interest in making sure that I was content. Hi, I'm Scott. I live in East Sacramento. I first heard about Alex Perez Roofing when I went online. I knew I had to get my roof replaced and didn't have a roofer, and I knew it was going to be quite a process and an expensive one at that. So I went online, I did some searches, and Alex Perez Roofing came up with excellent reviews. I checked them out on the Better Business Bureau. They're A+ rated. And so I thought, this is definitely a company that I'd like to have put a roof on my house if it works out. What issues was I experiencing? Well, my roof, I don't know how old it is, but I know it's at least 15 years old because that's how long I've owned this home. But I just knew it was time. I'd look up at the roof and I'd see some shingles having some issues, and I had some concerns, and especially the gutters too. So I just knew it was time, and so that's why I started searching to get my roof replaced. How do I feel about the final result? It's amazing. I mean, my wife and I are thrilled because our old roof was an old roof, but then, we chose this. Well, thanks to Alex, he kind of sent us in the right direction in terms of what type of roofing I should have, especially in my neighborhood. And now that it's up, I think my home value is obviously improved because the roof is beautiful. It makes my house look so much better. And the gutter work they did, I'm still surprised at how well the gutters turned out and how awesome a job they did. And they totally, they changed the color. We used to have white gutters and they put up the black to match the roof. Turned out pristine. I have no complaints. I'm so glad that I went through this process with Alex. If someone is on the fence choosing between Alex Perez Roofing and someone else, my encouragement would be to go with Alex just because, first of all, Alex he's a really good guy. I mean, he's very conscientious. He calls me every day, which you don't get that from a lot of business owners, but he owns the business. He calls me every morning, tells me what's going on. His crew was outstanding. I felt so comfortable with what his pricing was, to the point where I know a lot of people say, oh, get 2 estimates, 3 estimates, but when Alex showed up, he gave me the price. I thought it was extremely reasonable, especially when he told me what he was going to do. I didn't even look anywhere else, and that's why I would recommend Alex to any of my friends, family, neighbors, because he does a great job. He does a great job of hiring. His people are awesome. In fact, it's kind of funny. I was laughing with Alex because he put this roof on, and I expected the last 30 years, and I said, well, it's too bad I can never be a repeat customer, because I definitely would be if I could. Yeah, I feel fortunate that I found him.